Long Game usually stops working when its banking connection breaks, app cache gets corrupted, or device security settings block financial verification services. That's why the app can open normally but fail to load balances, rewards, or savings games. By the end, you'll know the exact reasons Long Game stops working and the fixes that restore login, syncing, and reward features step by step. First thing to check is your internet connection. Long Game relies on real-time banking sync, so unstable Wi-Fi or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can break the connection instantly. If balances won't load or games don't start, switch to a single stable connection and retry. Next, restart the app in your phone. Long Game uses background authentication to connect to your bank through secure services. If that session gets stuck, the app can load but nothing inside it will function properly. A full restart resets that connection. Now, check if the app is updated. Older versions of Long Game can lose compatibility with banking APIs, which causes loading issues or blank screens. Updating from the Play Store or App Store ensures your bank connection still works with the latest security requirements. After that, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Long Game, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can block login or syncing. If the issue continues, tap Clear Storage and log back in. That fully resets your session and reconnects your account. Also, check your phone security and battery settings. Some devices restrict background data or block financial apps from running continuously. Long Game needs background activity to sync savings and rewards. Turn off battery optimization for the app and allow unrestricted background access. Another important step is verifying your bank connection inside the app. If your bank login expired or requires reauthorization, Long Game won't be able to load any data. Reconnect your bank account inside the settings menu and complete any verification prompts. If nothing changes, reinstall the app. Delete Long Game, restart your phone, then install it again from the official store. This fixes broken installation files and resets your banking session tokens. Finally, there are times when the issue is on the bank connection provider's side. If Plaid or similar services are experiencing delays, the app may not load even if everything on your phone is correct. In those cases, waiting and trying again later usually resolves it. To sum it up, Long Game not working is usually caused by unstable connections, expired bank authentication, or blocked background activity. Fixing those areas restores normal app function in most cases. Start with your internet and restart, then move through updates, cache, and bank reconnection before reinstalling. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes for finance and savings apps.